How to update your payment information or method on the Shein application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to add the payment method, here is the step-by-step process. First of all, launch your Shein application and make sure it's updated. Use your credentials to get logged in. Then tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and then go to settings by tapping on the gear icon which is on the top right corner of the page. Once you tap on it, it'll take you to the settings page. Now, there you should see the option of My Payment Options. Tap on it. Under My Cards, tap on Add a Credit or Debit Card. You can add a card by giving in the information of 16-digit card number, the expiration date, the CVV number, and then confirm. Another easy way is to scan the card as well. For this, you can tap on the Scan Card option, which is just right next to the card number section. This will now ask you permission for the camera roll, from where you can give the permission and scan the card. And just by that, you can add the card details. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you got any questions, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section below.